Alright, YouTube, what's up, and everyone else that is clicking on this video, welcome once again. To those that did subscribe from my first video, thank you very much. Welcome. I hope you guys stay and enjoy the future content. Yeah, guys, so let's just get right into today. So, the week, this is how my week has been. Not the best, and I pretty much can be explaining why. Been training for 5 years now, over 5 years, excuse me, and it's not the first time I've been through this. But essentially, let's just explain what's going on. So, New Year's came, and the market condition has clearly changed. If you realize, I'm sure everyone that is trading day to day or is a day trader, you can see that the price action is very slow. This is because of multiple things. Well, if you just take a look from today, essentially, we'd see that there's a lot of volatility within the markets, but it's very, very unpredictable. So let's go to today, for example. Let's go into 2 minutes. That way I could just show you guys. So earlier today, if we take a look into the 2 minute, because I trade on the 2 minute interval alongside the 5 and 15, we can see that the market opened 9:30 with strong selling volume, and then the next candle pretty much takes the whole move with high volume, with strong buying to only then be rejected again and continue this whole downtrend, I guess you could say. Hindsight 2020 looks amazing, but the way this was forming was not it. I could just assure you that. So essentially, this is what's been happening not only today, but from the beginning of the new year. So if we just take a look into the previous months, so like December and November, we could take a look here. Excuse me. There was much more movement within the markets. As you can just see, we're in a range, and this high range is unpredictable. In November we actually had a bullish trend. December too, there's clear movement or a clear form of direction, and now that's simply not the case. This is due to the fact that there's a thin book right now within the S&P 500, which essentially means that it takes less amount of volume to actually impact the movement of price, essentially. So it does not need a lot of volume in terms of these candlesticks, I guess you could say, to manipulate the price either going higher or lower. That's why you find that within these moves, you're getting 20, just going back here, 20-point moves on ES within the first 2 minutes just for it to be bought back up within the same time frame. For example, just based off today early in the morning. So, yes, right over here. Okay, so as I was saying, take a look. Market open 9:30, around this 20s, all the way down to 59.02 within the 1-2 minute candle, only for it to go from 04 all the way back up to 17.18. So we're getting these 20-point moves on ES very sporadically, and this is very unpredictable. You cannot predict which way the market's going to move. That's essentially what's been happening. Its market conditions been changing. So with this type of movement comes a lot of hesitation because you don't trust. You start second guessing yourself. You don't trust, is this actually going to move higher? Are these actual buyers? It's showing everything, order flows there, but at the same time, I don't know. So it causes hesitation, which then could lead to FOMO. That actually happened to me. Unfortunately, I can't remember the last time I did it, but it does happen to everyone, and I want to be as transparent as possible. Take a look here, and yeah, I had 13 trades this day because I just couldn't. I just went on tilt after one point in time after not being able to read the direction. Same thing happened here. Tried to catch it a couple times, and you can't understand which way the market's gonna move. Now, is this a skill issue? It could be a skill issue, but really it actually has to do with just the price action itself being very unpredictable compared to the previous months. Now, advice. What should we do? First and foremost, you need to adapt. So we need to journal. You need to come back, take a look into your trades, see exactly what happened, and try to form a pattern to see exactly, okay, well, what is happening on a daily basis from this past week that can signal to you to actually enter or get that move that you want. So for example, if we take a look today, sold off heavy, only to get bounced back up, but to continue and double top in the same area of interest. So if I put my lines back, this was a previous all-time high at one point in time, and as you can see, it came up, retested it, and then came back down. So maybe this is something I need to back test and take a look the previous days as well, see exactly what happened. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and size down. As much as you want to make money, as much as I want to make money and make back my losses essentially for the month, I need to size down and protect my downside. Last but not least, if you need to, take some time off. So I had the ability to, I did not trade FOMC. This is Wednesday, and Thursday was off. So I had a couple days to actually review and see exactly what's going on and kind of take some time to reflect and see what I could do better, what I need to adjust. And today I did not take any trades simply because I did not see anything in terms of an entry signal, just the way it was moving, and then news came in and came back all the way down and essentially filled the gap. So hoping to see some better price action where you could actually read the markets. To those that did well this week, very good. Congratulations to you guys. All the best to you, and let's keep pushing forward. Look for a good January to end off the month. We still have a lot of time, guys. Take it day by day. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.